Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Selfkey token. On 19th of September, I shared this idea for my members at the Patreon when the price line completed a very big bullish harmonic reversal Gartley pattern on the weekly time frame. And after the completion of this final leg, the price line was moving above this potential reversal zone. Therefore, I told my members that while in correction move, it may give us another chance to catch it from the potential reversal zone. We had a very strong support here at 0.0065, and this buying zone was starting from 0.0075. Now I have just played the chart, and in few movements you can see that the price line moved down and again gave us another chance to catch it from the buying zone. And after moving down, right now the price line is having a very powerful reversal. It is taking some time. In few movements you will watch the result of this trade. In the meanwhile, I'm just going to show you this video as well that I shared previously with you, and I showed you that Gartley move and also a cup and handle formation as well. The cup and handle was formed on the daily time frame, and the Gartley pattern was formed on the weekly time frame. You can see that the price line moved down, and right now it is moving up. So far it has rallied up to 1.4 cents, and the targets as per the Fibonacci sequence of this harmonic bullish reversal Gartley move are starting from 1.8 cents and goes to 2.93 cents, almost 3 cents. So let's move to the live daily time frame chart. First of all, let me show you the cup and handle formation that I shared with you in my previous video. This was the body of the cup, and this was the handle. Price line broke out the resistance of the handle but rejected by the resistance and moved down, and here the price line formed this down channel. So this cup and handle pattern is invalidated, and the price line broke out the resistance of this down channel and rallied very well up to 1.4 cents. Now if we move to the 4-hourly time frame, then we can watch this move more clear. And I'm just going to switch to the small time frame, the 4-hourly time frame chart, and you can see that the price line was moving for the long time frame here in this up channel and broke out the resistance of this up channel. Right now on the 4-hourly time frame, the price line has formed a symmetrical triangle. This is the resistance of the new formed symmetrical triangle, and this is the support, and you can see the support is quite steep. This is the support, and this is the resistance. Right now, after getting bounced by this support, the price line is moving up to hit the resistance again. In fact, it is more likely to be a bullish pennant than a symmetrical triangle. Right now the price line is moving up to the resistance, and in case the price line will break out the resistance of this bullish pennant, then our next target after breaking out will be approximately here at 1.68 cents. Now if we switch to the weekly time frame, then on the weekly time frame the price line has formed this rising wedge pattern, and if we switch to the daily time frame, then we can see that the price line is being accumulated at the resistance of this rising wedge. Now let's move to this triangle back. Even though this triangle has been formed, this bullish pattern has been formed on the 4-hourly time frame, but it has so much importance because it will be affected on the movement on the weekly time frame chart as well. Now if the price line breaks out the resistance of this rising wedge, then our next target, if I place it here, for example, if we will have a breakout from here, that will be approximately at 2 cents, 1.97 cents, that very close to 2 cents. And if the price line is going to break out this resistance of this bullish pennant, our next target is 1.68 cents. And definitely if the price line will move up to this level, it can also break out this resistance of the rising wedge that has been formed on the weekly time frame. And after breaking out the rising wedge, our next imminent target will be 1.9 cents. And the bigger targets are remain same, and those targets are according to this bullish Gartley starting from 1.87 cents and goes to approximately at 3 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.